Yo, what's up guys? This is Ali Tutor in another video. So today we're going to be working on a website that's like Scratch but a bit more advanced. Yeah, it's called MakeCode.com. So let's just go to my place. Boom, boom, boom. And now wait. .com. Okay, let's just do this. Yeah. So basically it's like Scratch. Uh, Sprites? I don't know. How do I even make a sprite? No one knows. Uh, no, stop. Delete that. So, anyway, so basically, there are advanced stuff down here, and you can add extensions. I added a status bar already. What else? Yeah, let's do that. There you go, mini map. A mini set my mini map. What? I don't get it. Whatever. So set status bar to create status bar. Blah, 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 blah. So basically, what that does is this: width is how long it is, and height is how tall it is. Health, yeah. So after that, what am I doing? I don't know. So loop on. So okay, Huh? What am I supposed to do? Whatever. Okay, delete that. So, then change status bar value by -5. Oh, so it starts with 100 minus 99. Okay. Okay. So that's how to make a HP bar. Yeah. And now make a new one for energy or something. Enemy health. Yay. And then kind. Okay. What am I supposed to get this out? Put that in there. Yay! Do it. Okay. Then change value -5. Okay. Yeah. Sprites. Doink. Doink, doink, doink. Doink. Okay. Done. Property value does not exist on type sprite. What am I supposed to? Doink. Images. Animation light. Okay. Okay, well, I don't know what that is. Info. Oh, here they did. Life duplicate life. Okay, countdown multiplayer now. What do I do with this? If true, then else. So these are basically operators. Okay, scene. Okay. Let's go to minimap. Draw my sprite on minimap. My sprite. My sprite. How am I supposed to make a sprite? Please, someone tell me. Sprites. What am I supposed to do? Okay, great. So I move it like this. Huh? Function. Move. Move my sprite. Sprite. In. What am I supposed to do? Starts. Doink. Doink. So go to extensions, get status bars, do this, or whatever, and yay, you have a health bar. Here you can do all that stuff. What color is energy? Oh, okay, yellow. What color is magic? Blue, right? Yes, I knew it. And enemy health. Where? What's the difference? So, oh my god. Uh, um, okay, so that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.